Are you a mom looking for ways to earn money from home? Do you struggle with finding the time and energy to work on your business ideas? In this video, we'll share some tips on goal setting, time management, and productivity to help you succeed as a mompreneur. First, let's talk about goal setting. As a mom, it's easy to get caught up in the day-to-day tasks and lose sight of your bigger business goals. That's why it's important to set clear, specific, and achievable goals for your business. Take some time to think about what you want to accomplish and break it down into smaller, more manageable goals. For example, if your goal is to earn $1,000 per month from your business, you might set a goal to make your first sale within the first month and then gradually increase your sales over time. Next, let's discuss time management. As a mom, you likely have a lot of demands on your time, so it's important to be strategic about how you use it. One helpful tip is to batch similar tasks together. For example, if you need to make social media posts for your business, try to do them all at once rather than spreading them out throughout the day. You might also consider using tools like a planner or calendar to schedule blocks of time for different tasks. This can help you stay organized and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Lastly, let's talk about productivity. When you're working from home, it can be easy to get distracted by household chores, errands, and other responsibilities. To stay focused and get more done, try using techniques like the Pomodoro method, which involves working for 25 minutes and then taking a short break. You might also consider setting aside a dedicated workspace, such as a home office, to help you stay motivated and avoid distractions. Being a mompreneur can be challenging, but with the right tools and strategies, it's possible to achieve your business goals and earn money from home. Remember to set specific and achievable goals, manage your time effectively, and stay focused and productive. If you're looking for more ideas, be sure to subscribe to our channel to get all the newest. Free gift in the description, our list of 10 great small business ideas. Don't forget subscribe, like, and share with how you love. Good luck on your entrepreneurial journey.